Hello everyone. If you want to use MLA format in Google Docs, first open Google Docs Home and click on Template Gallery. Now scroll down and find Education section and click on Report MLA. Now you can edit this MLA format and use for your purposes. For example, on the top you can change the name, change the date, subject name, the title of your report, and heading each for paragraph, for example this one. Also you can select the text, delete and write or copy paste your text. Also at the end, works cited, you can add your cite based on your document. Also, you must now MLA format use Times New Roman font, which selected as default in this document, and the font size must be 12. Also, as default for this template is 12. This is the best and easiest way to use MLA format in Google Docs. Just edit, and after that you can click on File. From Download, you can download your document as different format, for example Microsoft Word, PDF format or another, and save in your device or send to another social media. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.